Hey, my girls, Miss Yo-Yo's back to take you to Michael's to let you see what they've got for the 2023 Happy Planner release. And if they ain't got it, I'm going to tell you where you can find it. Please stay in the video till it comes to a complete stop, and I'll be back at the end to say my thank yous. Here we go, girls. In-store video showing you the latest, the newest Happy Planner release for 2023. I will also let you know where I've seen these planner sticker books at other stores like Hobby Lobby or either Joann's. Now, this wellness planner, I will tell you, it is available at Joann's. It is available at Joann's. Now, this stress management, never saw this planner before. So that right there is totally new to me. It's in a big size. If that's something you're looking for, you can check out Michael's because I've not seen that anywhere before. Oh, and this 18-month planner right here, this was a leftover from the clearance sale. I scanned it. It was $3.48. Now, this faith planner, you can also find this at Hobby Lobby. Let me just give you a heads up on that. And I did go online to check, and at the time you're probably seeing this video, we just missed the Happy Planner sale at Hobby Lobby. So it rotates every other week. So it won't be next weekend, but it'll be the following weekend. And it's a 40% sale. I thought it was 50%, but I just checked to see, and it's 40% off the Happy Planner planners and sticker book every other week. So we just missed this week, so it'll be in 2 weeks, okay? Now, this is a sticker book that caught my eye. I'm normally not a seasonal person, but the fall colors in here are to die for. And I just have to ask, has anybody, leave a comment below, have you checked out that beautiful bloom sticker book? Let me just tell you, I didn't do a flip through of it in this video, but it is in my previous Joann's video, and it is available at Michael's. So tell me what you think, because I lost my mind last week, okay? I straight up lost my mind. Now, this Happy Planner release, they've got some more of these double spiral planners. This one is a big dashboard, big, beautiful. I love that green. They've got this happy, happy, happy. This is a horizontal. Let me just tell you, that's in a classic size. They've got some here. This right here, this one right here, she's at Joann's. She's at Joann's, and she's got a sticker book to go with her too. So I'm giving you a heads up on that. She's available at Joann's. And then this bloom, they have that in a disc bound. I believe it's like the regular cover, the regular shiny cover they have. But they got a ton of disc bound planners. I'm digging it. I'm digging it, okay? Now, if there was anything that I missed, that I did not tell you where it was located, and you're interested in finding out if it's located at another store, please leave a comment below and I'll be glad to reply to that. Now, this is another one. This is another beautiful. I love these blues in here because I'm a blue girl. But if I have to ask you, if you're enjoying the video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and also leave a comment. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the all, ALL, all notification so you don't miss me next time. Now, let me just remind you, if you have not downloaded the Michaels app, to download that app, first of all, they have a daily 20% off a regular price item. A regular price item. Don't be like my sister who went there today and tried it. She tried it. She tried to use a 20% on a sale item. And I said, no, 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 you can't do that. And she was like, but let me just tell you, on a regular price, 20% off, but then you can also earn credit towards getting a $5 off voucher. Last year, I had 2 vouchers when I went up in there around sales time like this. So I was able to get something on sale and then use my $5 off voucher on top of it. So I don't want my girls to miss out on any deals, okay? Don't be like my sister going up there trying to pull something off like that, okay? Now, let me just remind you, some of these Happy Planner release are exclusive to certain stores. So this one right here, this Trust the Journey one, this black one, I have not seen that at Joann's nor at Michael's. So that might be a Happy Planner that's exclusive only here at Michael's. This is another one I have not seen at any other store either. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking for a planner, you may only can pick it up at Michael's. Now this Happy Planner 12-month, this dashboard, I love that cover. That I've seen at Hobby Lobby and at Joann. So just to give you a heads up on that one. Now these right here, I've not seen these anywhere else. So these might be some that you can only pick up here at Michael's. They got a lot of these double spirals. These must be a hot seller. They've got to be. Now with the new release like this coming out from Happy Planner through Michael's, Joann's, and Hobby Lobby, tell me which store do you think, well, a new release now, comes out with the best sales? Now I think Joann's first because they're gonna have it on sale. Then you're gonna have that 20 off the total if you order online and pick it up in store. Then I think maybe second because hey, Hobby Lobby gonna have that 40% sale every other week. And then we're gonna bring it on home with Michael's because that 20%, unless you catch it on a sale, like this week, I just saw it this past week, it was 40%. I don't know if it's still there, so you check your Michael's. But I think that's my order in sales when it comes to new releases. What's yours? Now, I told you girls last week, if you were here, about how I got that beautiful Bloom sticker book for an additional 20% off because I scanned it and it said it wasn't in the store, but it was 30% off. Well, there was some lady here at Michael's, she was getting ready to get the 40% sale they were having. I told her, I said, you go over to Joann's, it's 30%. But online, it's going to tell you that there is not in the store. They'll give you the 20% off the in-store, pick it up on curbside. If you walk it up there and tell them, hey, it says this is not in the store. If they see that discrepancy, they will give you that discount because you're holding the planner, a sticker in your hand that they're saying is not in the store. They will give you that additional 20 or whatever the percent off if you order it online. Now, if you're looking for the Happy Planner 2023 12-month budget planner, here you can find it at Michael's. So just to give you a heads up, it is available here at Michael's. I don't know, I can't remember if I saw it at Joann's. I want to say I did. So just to give you a heads up there. And let me just tell you right now, There she is, my dashboard version of that hardcover. Yes, there it is right there. And I wanted it to be neutral, but I saw a little bit of inside of this, and I'm on the fence, girls. I'm on the fence. Here's the 4-month daily layout planner. It's supposed to be available at Joann's, but I did not see it there, but I saw it on the app. So if you're looking for it, just check the app. If you can't find it here, Michael's, check Joann's for sure, okay? Now let's talk about the glass elephant in the room. Okay, we're gonna break through on this right here. The prices of these Happy Planet sticker books. Some of the new release is $26.99. Some of the new release is $21.99. I might have saw at Joann's $23.99. Okay, and then some $26.99. Girls, we have to talk to somebody. This is why I need a coupon. This is why I need a coupon and a sale for my girls, because I'm not gonna let you go out like that. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo back to say thank you. I appreciate you stopping by, checking out my latest in-store video at Michael's to show you what you can find in the way of the new Happy Planner release. Hey, if you want to see more, please check out the playlist over here. Now let's get to the disclaimer. When exiting the videos, check around for all your personal belongings. Remember, no tripping, no falling. Remember, ain't no lost and found up in the Yo-Yo video, okay? Now, if you want to lose something, you better lose it down the street, because it ain't happening here. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.